Yeah, people, I just give them the car and I go take the bike. Yeah. Yeah, active. Me honest. Me and sweaty, me I put on my gloves. But them man I think I joke when I say me ride with my helmet. Eh?
Don't press the foot brake.
Don't press the foot brake.
No, you can't press one up there in there.
Bombard. Alright. Eh?
Two of them there on the angle.
On the angle? Bombard. I don't know if you use angle brake, you know, brother. I'll test you out. Yeah! Bombard! Rummy! Yo, man, I feel for your bike. Can't get used to that shit, bro. You see a foot brake there on this?
Yeah, my brake there on the brake.
Yeah, dog. No good. One thing that me can't make the opportunity to ride on bike down here. Clutch I feel like it a run though. Man in clutch hotter than blood not fire. Come on, this better. Yo, a West mud breaker. How much caliper around there? You want the phone?
Oh, can't go around. Excuse.
Yeah, drive sweet, man.
And you want a little front end part.
It's slick last seat, cameras come here and one rock go in.
Yeah, I fit them in, bro. I fit them, man.
Go in, one go.
Make you think, yo, I want to go in there.
KFC.
Yeah, it's a fucking
KFC,
So
you
far.
go down.
Hey. Muffler, they sound sweet. Yeah, man, you can hear it. A timing chain eagle.
No, that's well pump, that's sweet.
See, Kaka old car, yeah? Eh? It look like it. Yeah.
Catch a video with it. Say, haha.
What? Aye?
Kaka, I eat that. I eat that, Kaka. Headache. Yeah, people, the audio go sound kind of bad still coming out of the mic. Wait, where the mic? The mic in my bag. In my bag, in my car. Where car there? I see me can't find. You know, my post joke. Mic no, you know. Take you out here. So anyways, I'm not going to suffice with the audio. Who knows if it goes suffice with the audio? Because it might in my bag. When she New!
That's my name.
Nala Manala, what that? Bombard. I be my young as this, you know. Oh, you know what? Hey, you know what? Don't shame me, you know. active outside, we're active. Yeah? Come on, the farm. Yeah. Yeah. When I run them, you say, go and talk. We're active outside life right here, people. Not like bike life. Not like bike life. Yeah, man, fully. Langsung pihak belok. Oh man. Dog, eh?
You not catch?
Me no know.
Shut up. Take it. Now we are ready.
Jaja dog. Yo, me feel a way dog. How this? Boom, but I shift to this, bro. Push.
Shifter broke off. Brother from Kakapika.
Sita?
I buy mad up.
Oh, Sita?
Yeah, you
No,
broke
I
off.
didn't
That's yeah, that's a
Bomba. Me a ride the bike, brother. Go from here.
Yo, throw me here, punch already back on me. That's why I'm slow down and look back in now.
You put a shake your freak.
Yo, you catch the video we do a race, no?
Yeah.
No, put more on that dog. No, boy, to this when you want to see this blood. It's look up on Jester right now. I'm the only man right now.
Watch out, rotted. I shift to this.
You tell us you want bend up, man. You use one of the dog.
Me can use this. How does that call me? Give you a call me. You answer right now. Me top shape, man. Me top shape. What you can? Yo, dog. Me a try hold the bike, you know, dog. Me a say, bike can't come out of first gear. Wait for him up by bus stop.
Yeah.
Yo, a Peter Eater come off of the engine, yeah? Bomba! Alright. Yee! Style. No, sir. This year. This year. That's something else. This year, that's something else, people. Well, I have 9% battery left. What? This year? Sitting right about the bike engine, brother. The engine come like it. Sitting do it. Sitting do the engine. The bike too high, man. No. Shit, I'm going to buy a dog back a fence.